What is Geoship, really? Geoship is a product design and manufacturing technology company focused on homes. Just like Tesla did with cars and Apple did with the phone, we're changing what it means to buy and live in a home. We're doing that by combining material science, product design, and manufacturing technology. We're changing the shape of the home, and we're changing the materials that the homes are made of. So what stage are we in? Right now, we're making parts, and we're installing those parts on a dome. It's the first we've built, and we're learning a lot. Every day we're iterating in the factory. How can we make these parts better? And that's something that being in a factory unlocks. It's this ability to iterate day over day that drives the quality up. And that's how you change the customer experience. We've raised tens of millions of dollars to build this team, this factory, these parts, and the Dome. And I'm super excited to continue on our mission of developing the best home.